Well, hello everyone and welcome to my kitchen. So boy, do I have the perfect appetizer dip for you today that is just great for any family gathering, and it is definitely going to be a hit. I can just almost guarantee it. And it is so easy that it's almost embarrassing. Yeah, it's just 3 ingredients. Actually, you can make this in 2 ingredients. I just add an extra one. So let me show you what I'm talking about. It is the hot pepper jelly cream cheese dip. Now you may have seen this before where people just take a block of cream cheese and pour like a hot pepper jam or jelly over the cream cheese. My additional ingredient that I like to add is 1/4 cup of heavy cream. I add that to my cream cheese and blend it together. I just find it easier to dip when the cream cheese is a little bit thinner. All right, so you want to make sure that your cream cheese is softened, and then just add 1/4 cup of heavy cream and then just blend until it is smooth and creamy. Any dish that you like. I'm just using a clear pie plate here. All right, I'm just going to spread it out into the bottom of my pie plate. Okay, and then you can use any kind of pepper jelly that you like. I'm using hot pepper, but if you don't like spicy, you can use a milder. I've seen them with fruit like raspberry and jalapeno, or mango and habanero and different things like that. All of that would be good, but I'm just gonna take some of this hot pepper jam and I'm just gonna spread it out over top of this cream cheese. Okay, so that is all there is to it. And then you just dip your crackers into it. But I want to make it a little bit more festive. So yes, I'm going to add another ingredient, but this is definitely optional. I'm just going to slice up some green onion. Okay, you can't get any easier, and it looks really pretty and elegant. Oh yeah. Everyone will love this, and it'll be gone in a matter of minutes if your family is like mine. Well, thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. God bless, and I'll see you next time.